Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this amazing bracelet. Needle I'm using is of 4 mm and yarn I'm using is of macrame. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, keep all stitches loose. Don't make them tight. Make make 21 chain crochet stitches. And please make them loose, because like if you are using macrame yarn, so it's like bit hard, bit thick, so it becomes difficult to take other stitches. I'll just complete this 21 chain crochet stitches and I'll show you. See, logic behind this chain number of chain crochet stitches is like your hand when you join first and last stitch of that chain crochet stitches, we get a ring. So your hand should easily go through that ring. It's like your bracelet should easily go, means you can easily wear it and you can easily take it out. So as per your hand, take that many chain crochet stitches. Okay, here I join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here we get a ring. Now 21 chain crochet stitches is enough for me to see easily wear that bracelet and take it out and remove it also. Okay, so depending on your hand, make that many chain crochet stitches, then make one chain crochet. Now we start with waistcoat crochet stitch. Now see, in this stitch we are basically doing single crochet stitch only thing is we need to stretch our loop bit longer. Okay, and then a normal single crochet. See, each time we yarn over and pull through, so this loop we are going to stretch it bit longer for every stitch, so we get a proper V. Yarn over, pull through, stretch it bit longer and make a single crochet stitch. I'll make some stitches and I'll show you how we are getting V. See, these types of we will be getting through our stitches when we stretch it bit longer, that loop. Okay, now I'll complete this whole round and I'll show you. Now this waistcoat stitch are basically V into V into V. So in next round, we will start stitches in middle of every V. Okay, I'll just show you. First let me complete this whole row and I'll show you. Now we are done with the first round. We will go for the second round. Now see these V's. Okay, so we are going to make stitches for second round. Each time we will make a stitch inside that V, in middle of it. See, this is how. Same way we will stretch it longer and make a single crochet stitch. See, a V inside a V. Again we will make it, we will insert our needle in middle of that V and we will make a single crochet stitch. We will stretch that loop longer. Okay, see, we are getting that design V inside a V. So as your rounds goes on, so that looks more like a wine and you will like it. I'll just make 4 5 rounds so you will get a clear understanding of how it looks. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See how pretty it looks. Just like a chain, like a vine going up. Okay. Now only last two rounds are remaining for our bracelet. We will just make border, one up and one down. For upper border, we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, see this is how. One slip stitch in each single stitch all around. That's it. I'll just complete and show you. See, this is how a broad border we get. Okay, and now we come to the downside, like the first round which from where we started. There, border again it is one slip stitch in each single stitch. Only thing using outer loop of each stitch. That's it. One slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of each stitch, and all around we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. So our two borders are ready. It looks quite good. I'll just complete this and I will show you. See how pretty it looks. Now this is a final piece. Well, I have placed some pearls for decoration. It depends on you, however you want to decorate. Main structure is ready. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. As you have seen, complete crochet tutorial was with notes, slow demonstrations, step-by-step explanation. Many videos are already there on my YouTube channel. Plus, I'm coming up with new videos. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.